What's up YouTube, this is Vegan Valley here, and today I'm going to teach you guys what I eat in a day. So first I like to start the day off with Flax Plus Multibran Flakes. Yeah, so the reason I use or I eat cereal in the morning is because for me, it just brightens up my morning. It just gives me like a burst of energy. So that's one reason why I'm eating bran flakes so early in the morning. Now this specific cereal has many benefits, one of them being excellent source of omega-3s, which is great for arthritis, ADHD, asthma, blood fat. It also has 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. That, including with the almond milk, which I'm gonna put on next, is like a whole, getting everything in one bowl. So one of my favorite things to do when I'm eating cereal is just to add my favorite type of fruit to the cereal. And one fruit that I added with this cereal that goes well with it, tastes good, is blueberries. Blueberries have major health benefits to your body. It's a skin booster, brain booster, anti-aging, and many more. So for lunch, I decided to prepare myself a hand-formed vegan patty. These patties are made from like garlic, onion, parsley. You could easily pick a package of these up at Walmart or your local supermarket. They're cheap, easy to cook. All you gotta do is buy buns and heat them up, and I'll show you how to. Now what I do like about these vegan patties is that they're loaded with protein, so this is a great meal right after you work out, or if you just want to take more protein into your diet. This is a great meal. Vegan patties are great for that. So what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 and let it bake on both sides for 5 minutes. Once you're finished, you could carefully take them out because they will be hot. Place them on the bun, and I only added lettuce to my vegan patty, but you could always add your favorite vegetable or fruit, whatever you guys like to add. You could always add it on. Now for a quick meal for dinner, all I did was add 2 hot dogs into the boiling water, making sure the stove was off, and then adding them into the hot dog bread. Now, just like the vegan patties, the vegan dogs are 20 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat. Real tasty, delicious, just like the vegan patties. Add ketchup. Me, I added spinach on the side just to add a little more protein and get a little more from it. I know it's a light meal that you would think maybe for dinner, but it definitely holds your stomach up overnight. Alright, so if you like this video, please comment down below, like, and subscribe. I'm out.